Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, I recommend you to check the previous episodes. Also, I want to remind you, once the program is finished, you will be able to download and try the program for free. In this episode I want to write code for 3 buttons. Path button, let's rename this object right away. Also the new file button and delete button. I will start with the simplest one. Double click on the path button. I want the program to open the data folder when this button is clicked. Let's write the code. Process .start, then parentheses, explorer.exe, comma, update. Now I will start the program and check if this line works correctly. As you can see, the program opened the data folder. In the previous episode, I create an animation for the save button. I suggest using the same animation style for the other buttons in the program. To do that, I will simply copy the animation code from the save button subroutine into the path button subroutine. Then I will change the object name in the code, and in the subroutine declaration line I will add the word async. I will also create mouse enter and mouse leave events and copy the code from the save button code. Unlike the previous button, for the picture box button path, the color when not interacting with the object should be set to white. Perfect. The button is now working correctly. Now let's double click the new file button. For this button, I just need to clear the contents of the file name and content fields, and also remove the selection from the list box files object. Let's type the code. Textbox main dot clear. Textbox file name dot clear. Listbox files dot selected item equal nothing. Now I will add the animation just like I did for the previous object. I won't go into detail here. Next, let's move on to the delete button. Double click on the delete button. Let's write a condition. If listbox files dot selected item equal nothing, then messagebox dot show parentheses, then message choose a file to delete, comma, then caption attention, comma, messagebox buttons dot ok, comma, messagebox icon dot information, exit sub. Now I will create a variable and another condition. Dim res as dialog result. Res equal messagebox dot show parentheses. Do you really want to delete this file? And textbox file name dot text and dot txt and question mark, comma, then caption attention, comma, messagebox buttons yes no, comma, messagebox icon dot question. If res equal dialog result dot no, then exit sub. If none of the conditions triggered, the program can delete the file. Let's type file dot delete text box folder path.txt and list box files that selected item to string and file extension .txt. After deleting the file, I need to refresh the file list using read files subroutine. So I just type here read files. I also need to clear the text box main and text box file name fields. So let's add the animation for this button as well. Okay, great. Let's check if the program works correctly. As you can see, the animations for all buttons work properly. The conditions I add for test buttons also work as expected. When I click the delete button, the program asks whether I really want to delete the file or not. If I click yes, the program deletes the file. After a while, I noticed one issue. If I use the search field and then I delete a file, after refreshing the file list, the program adds all files from the data folder and ignores the search field. I think this can be easily fixed. For that, I double click on the search field. Now let's copy the part of the code and paste it into the read files subroutine. Then I will remove this line of code, because earlier in the sub we already assigned the necessary data to the files variable. Let's start the program again. Okay, perfect. Now the program works correctly. I have noticed that my videos have received some views, which is great for a new YouTube channel. Unfortunately, I have not received any statistic from YouTube about which countries my viewers are from. Let me know in the comments where you are watching from. I would love to read it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.